Finding a reliable car shouldn't feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. These aren't just reliable cars, they're engineering masterpieces that stand the test of time. From compact cars to luxury vehicles, we've tracked down the most bulletproof vehicles ever made, and the numbers behind their success will shock you. What if I told you there's a luxury car that was tested for 15 hours straight before leaving the factory? Or a pickup truck that's so reliable, it's still conquering roads after 3 decades. Starting with subcompacts, the first generation Honda Fit proves that small cars can deliver big reliability. Its 1.5-liter engine produces 109 horsepower through an ingenious design that eliminates common failure points. Instead of a timing belt that needs regular replacement, Honda engineered a timing chain built for lifetime reliability. The manual transmission features carbon line synchronizers that show minimal wear even after hundreds of thousands of miles, while the automatic transmission employs a conventional design that emphasizes durability over the complexity of modern CVTs. Honda's innovative Magic Seat system uses robust mechanical components that maintain reliability despite their complexity. The suspension combines McPherson struts in front and a torsion beam rear design, delivering both durability and engaging handling. The electrical system features simplified circuits with premium connectors that resist corrosion, while the fuel delivery system uses proven technology that rarely requires maintenance. These engineering choices explain why Fits commonly exceed 250,000 miles with only basic maintenance, proving that small cars can match the longevity of their larger counterparts. In the compact segment, the Toyota Corolla redefined reliability with its legendary 1.8-liter 1ZZ FE engine, producing 125 to 130 horsepower. This power plant wasn't just built, it was engineered to last generations. The cast iron block provides exceptional durability, while the aluminum head ensures optimal heat dissipation. Toyota's engineers incorporated a timing chain that never needs replacement, eliminating a major maintenance item. The electrical system remains remarkably simple, using basic sensors and minimal computerization, a stark contrast to modern vehicles with their complex electronic systems. The fuel injection system uses conventional port injection rather than direct injection, proving that sometimes simpler is better. The transmission options, both manual and automatic, feature robust internal components that handle daily driving with ease. The suspension system employs tried-and-true designs that maintain their composure even after hundreds of thousands of miles. These engineering choices created a car that routinely surpasses 400,000 miles while maintaining its reliability and efficiency. Before we reveal the mid-size sedan that revolutionized engine balancing technology, make sure you're subscribed to catch our upcoming video on the most overpriced cars to avoid. Moving to mid-size sedans, the Honda Accord stands as a testament to precision engineering. The engine features perfectly balanced connecting rods and crankshafts, components so well designed that many of these cars have surpassed 500,000 miles. This 130 to 145 horsepower power plant employs a non-interference design that prevents catastrophic damage even if the timing belt fails, a feature rarely seen in modern engines. The manual transmission, particularly the 5-speed variant, set industry standards for durability and precise shifting. Honda's engineers developed a fuel injection system with injectors so reliable they rarely need replacement. The electrical system incorporates high-quality connectors and wiring that resist corrosion, eliminating the electrical gremlins that often plague aging vehicles. Even the chassis design prioritizes longevity, with reinforced mounting points and corrosion-resistant materials throughout. The next vehicle we're about to discuss cost over $1 billion to develop, and the results will astonish you. The Lexus LS400 represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering. Its 4.0-liter V8 1UZ FE engine features 6-bolt main bearings and copper-impregnated bearings, engineering details typically reserved for race cars. Each engine underwent 15 hours of rigorous testing before installation, explaining why these vehicles often surpass 1 million miles. The block itself features a closed-deck design for maximum strength, while the rotating assembly is balanced to precision levels that exceed industry standards. The automatic transmission received equal attention, incorporating heavy-duty clutch packs and an advanced valve body design that set new standards for reliability. The electrical system showcases military-grade engineering with redundant grounds and premium connectors throughout. The suspension components underwent extensive fatigue testing, resulting in a design that maintains its legendary smooth and quiet operation even after decades of use. The climate control system features dual-zone capability without the complexity that plagues modern systems, proving that comfort and reliability can coexist. Moving to crossovers, the Honda CR-V demonstrates exceptional reliability with its 2.4 2.4-liter engine producing 160 horsepower. This power plant uses a timing chain design and individual coil-on-plug ignition system, eliminating distributor-related issues that plague many vehicles of this era. The real-time AWD system employs a simple hydraulic clutch pack that proves more reliable than modern electronic systems, delivering consistent power distribution without complex electronics. The chassis incorporates fully boxed frame rails within the unibody structure, providing exceptional durability without excessive weight. The suspension uses simple strut designs with separate springs, making maintenance both straightforward and affordable. Honda's attention to detail extended to the electrical system, which uses weatherproof connectors and robust ground points that prevent common electrical problems. The fuel system employs a simple returnless design that reduces potential failure points while maintaining efficient operation. Now let's examine the SUV that set the standard for durability testing. The Toyota Land Cruiser 100 series proves that over-engineering isn't just a marketing term. Its 4.7-liter V8 2UZ-FE engine underwent testing in temperatures ranging from -40 Fahrenheit to 120 Fahrenheit before Toyota's engineers gave their approval. The chassis features 9 cross members, 3 more than most competitors, creating an incredibly rigid foundation. The four-wheel drive system uses simple, robust mechanical components rather than complex electronic controls, ensuring reliability in extreme conditions. The suspension system combines torsion bar front and coil spring rear designs, providing exceptional durability without sacrificing comfort. Toyota's engineers demanded 500,000 kilometers of testing before production approval, more than double the industry standard. This extensive development process created an SUV that maintains its reliability even in the harshest environments. The next vehicle comes from an era when German engineering truly lived up to its reputation, and its diesel engine was so robust that it was used in commercial vehicles. The Mercedes-Benz W123 represents the golden age of German over-engineering. Its OM617 diesel engine, while modest with 87 horsepower, was built to commercial vehicle standards. The engine block features 5 main bearings and a forged steel crankshaft, components designed for millions of miles of operation. The mechanical fuel injection system might seem outdated by today's standards, but its simple design and high-quality components create unmatched reliability. Mercedes engineers treated every body panel with multiple layers of galvanization, primer, and paint, explaining why these cars resist corrosion decades later. The interior uses MB-Tex upholstery, a material so durable it often outlasts the vehicle itself. The suspension system employs overbuilt components that maintain their composure even after 7-figure mileage readings. The Toyota pickup earned its reputation through incredible durability. The 22R engine family features a cast iron block and head design that proved nearly indestructible in real-world conditions. While modern trucks chase horsepower figures, this 97 to 105 horsepower engine prioritized longevity over performance. The timing chain design, while requiring occasional adjustment, rarely failed catastrophically. The manual transmission incorporated carbon fiber synchronizers, ensuring exceptional durability under heavy use. The frame design features additional gussets at high stress points, reinforcements that explain why these trucks survive decades of abuse. The electrical system uses simple, reliable components that resist the effects of time and weather. What if I told you our next vehicle proves that performance and reliability aren't mutually exclusive? The Porsche 911 3.2 Carrera demonstrates that high performance and reliability can coexist. Its 3.2-liter flat-six engine produces 231 horsepower through an engineering masterpiece that featured improved cylinder head studs, enhanced oil flow, and strengthened connecting rods compared to earlier models. The G50 transmission set new standards for durability with its hydraulic clutch mechanism and improved synchronizers. The air-cooled design eliminates common cooling system failures found in modern vehicles. These 911s regularly exceed 300,000 miles when properly maintained, a testament to Porsche's engineering excellence. Finally, the Honda Odyssey proves that family vehicles can deliver exceptional reliability. Its 3.5-liter V6 J35 engine produces 244 horsepower while featuring a conservative 105,000-mile timing belt replacement interval. Honda's engineers addressed previous transmission concerns with strengthened components and improved cooling. The sliding door mechanism uses simple, replaceable rollers instead of complex electronic systems found in modern minivans. The chassis incorporates additional bracing to prevent the flex issues common in large vehicles. Even the interior materials were selected for durability, withstanding years of family use.